статус врачей, которые здесь работают, оказался очень высоким.
The doctors who were here have a very high status, on the basis of which the government made the decision to create the National Medical Research Center from the Republican Hospital. That is to say that the center was given the status of a scientific research center. The center has been awarded the Star of Creation of Russia and an international award for outstanding contribution towards the development of national public health services. The American National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, has chosen the National Medical Research Center as the only base in Central Asia for providing medical aid to astronauts who take part in space flights from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. So far, 7 expeditions have been served. New methods of diagnosis and the treatment of diseases are both developed and executed at the National Medical Research Center. The best achievements in scientific research, the development and implementation of innovative technologies for diagnostics and treatment for global medical science and practice take place today at the center, all in the interest of the patients. Apart from that, we are engaged in fundamental research. We are currently working on very serious research into the field of stem cells. At this moment, we have already used stem cells for the treatment of patients in 6 areas this year. I must say that the methods of our clinical trials have shown very high levels of effectiveness of this method. We currently have a contract with the Americans who have supported us, examined our data, subjected it to their analysis, reviewed it and arrived at the conclusion that there is currently no alternative to this method of treatment. Thanks to these results, we have now signed other contracts on cooperation with a number of countries on the treatment of their citizens at our center based on the pathology that they present. The National Medical Research Center is the first master stem cell bank and laboratory in Central Asia to be created in the region. It uses safe, high-quality procedures and technology capable of providing treatment and improving the quality of life of people suffering from serious illnesses. The center has also negotiated contracts with leading medical companies and clinics in the Gulf states for the treatment of patients using cell technology. The National Medical Research Center conducts high-level intensive scientific research in the areas of cardiology, heart surgery, respiratory medicine, hematology, nephrology, neurology, endocrinology and X-ray diagnostics. All the scientific research conducted at the National Medical Research Center is supported by international certificates, diplomas and licenses. The National Medical Research Center also has a state license for carrying out educational activities. Primary specialist education and processes for thematic improvement are carried out at the centre with the aim of improving the professional skill levels of doctors. We have a special postgraduate centre for educating doctors, in which we are already training doctors for our own centre primarily, and naturally in order to meet the needs of other clinics in the Republic.